Welcome back and thanks for following along. I'm finally building out the inside of the camper. As you can see here, I drew my basic layout on the inside of the camper to be sure my vision in my head was going to fit in the small space. The first section of the interior is a vertical storage cabinet that will also serve as a ladder to get into the bed. I have the parts I used linked below in the video description. Let me know if you have any questions. Keeping with my budget-friendly theme, 90% of the wood I'm using for the interior build-out is reclaimed wood. Almost all of this wood is wood that I saved from going to the landfill, where other people were going to throw it away. Here I'm cutting out part of the bench seat / battery box and water tank cabinet. That little doggy door looking thing is where my 5-gallon water tank will go. I put it on the right side of the Tacoma because the fuel tank on the Tacoma is on the left side, trying to balance out some weight. This is the base of the bench seat and lower storage compartment. The bench seat will have a flip-up top and a booth-like sloped backrest. The seating area and the bed will eventually get upholstered cushions to make it nice and comfortable. As you can see here, I'm trying to maximize functionality with maximum storage space. In such a small space, you need to utilize as much storage space as possible. This is the sloped backrest to the booth seat. I added the little oval cubbies to gain a little more storage where I could. That's a good start to the interior build out. Now it's time to build out the kitchen side. Here I'll build out the kitchen counter that will also help serve as part of the bed platform, as well as house the sink. Here I'm using more reclaimed wood, and I'm cutting out sections of this wood to reduce weight. This part of the cabinet will hold the propane tank, sink, and sink drain tub. This is a 5-gallon fresh water tank that will be plumbed with a Dometic rechargeable faucet. Using leftover rigid foam from the build, I built a secure surround for the water tank. I used this old drawer box I found and added some wood for a drawer face. This will be the main drawer storage for the kitchen counter. This is a piece of pine plank I bought at Lowe's. It'll work perfectly for the countertop in the kitchen. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Plenty of counter space and plenty of support for the bed. I saw this product used on another channel and thought it was a good idea. I painted all the wood surfaces with this Kills Mold and Mildew exterior-interior primer, just to be safe. We decided to go with this bright blue color to brighten up the space, and because we love the color blue. I made these cabinet doors from scrap wood. I love how they look, but they kind of warped, so I may rebuild them down the road. I lined everything with lightweight carpet and added these aluminum edge protectors to the ladder cabinet. I made these drawer and door pulls out of some leftover webbing and a few screws. Simple, functional, and I think they look pretty cool too. My buddy Jerry gave me this flooring. It's lightweight and matches my color design perfectly. Thanks, Jerry. I'm super happy how it all turned out. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks for following along, and thanks for watching, commenting, and subscribing. It's appreciated. Next time I'll do the electrical, 12-volt battery, battery box, lights, and power for the refrigerator.